Stop Mnangagwa's power grab, a threat to Zimbabwe's democracy. Sanapinda mashoko atona kuti aiwa vanhu vomhanyidzana vachita aiwa ngatistopei zvoda kuitika izvi zvekuti aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF nemutungamiri wayo varambe vari on top kusvika 2030. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda chitagwa panapa notobva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Ndimina vana pamzimba yavudanyira chiti Mr. Emerson Mnangagwa's bid to extend his term beyond 2028 is a blatant power grab that undermines Zimbabwe's constitution and the democratic principles. His plan to amend the constitution to stay in power until 2030 is not only unacceptable, but also a threat to the country's stability and future. The proposal to extend Mnangagwa's term is met with widespread criticism, with many arguing that it violates the constitution and undermines the principles of democracy. The constitution is clear. A president can only serve 2 terms, and any attempt to amend this provision would require a national referendum. Moreover, extending Mnangagwa's term would have far-reaching consequences for Zimbabwe's political landscape. It would stifle political competition, undermine the development of new leadership, and entrench the ruling party's grip on power. Those pushing for his term extension must be held accountable for these actions. They must be charged with undermining the constitution and attempting to subvert the democratic process. This is not any matter of law, but also a matter of principle. The international community must also take note of Mnangagwa's actions and condemn his attempt to undermine Zimbabwe's democracy. The African Union, Southern African Development Community, and the other regional bodies must speak out against this power grab and support the people of Zimbabwe in their quest of democracy and good governance. Ndo mashoko anobuda nyugwa panapa tikuona kuti aiwa ari kustopa aiwa this move rero ne the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa yekuramba akagreba power kusvikira muna 2030 it kunzi iri unconstitutional. Zvatiri kuona vari kuya vachikola up kuma-international observers nema-unions kuti apinzire panhau iyi vagomirira ma-citizens. Tonze mafundo enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Muna comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.